sexual habitat.
Oh, these fools live. Oh, boy. It's a good waste of the money. Okay, it's early in the morning. There's the boy Carlos right there. What time is it? It's 7:21 on Saturday. Marcus is sad.
Pack up. This is a camera thing.
Good whirl, Alicia. You'll get on your first try.
What are you talking about?
My juke.
That's not what he was talking about.
What was he talking about?
That's not what he was talking about.
This is my power stance. Are you intimidated?
Yeah.
That's a box. I'm a mess. I got my freaking collar. I'm a cool kid. This kid, he's like a rank 12 cool kid. But this kid.
Where's Christian?
What?
Christian, hurry.
Okay. Everything the sun touches is yours.
Christian, you wanna go get some McDonald's right now?
Alright, I gotta go take my pants off.
Okay.
Yep. Okay, I'm good.
I'm going.
Don't make fun of my underwear.
What color is it?
It has hearts on it.
Okay.
I gotta like pull my pants up. Cause I gotta take my shirt.
I
can't put it on.
Is it too small for you?
Yes.
Thomas is finally here, bro. You know who this is? That's the shout out of the week right there. Hi. We're gonna go to the magical land of Dallas, Texas. We out here. We're getting some flashbacks. I'm here with the boy Thomas. There's Bobby in the background. Oh. Hey.
I'm still not gonna call that number.
Oh, my phone's all messed up. Look at this.
All over my shit.
I'm about to give you a Pokemon Let's Play real quick.
I'm beating his ass.
Is that legal? Is that allowed?
You know what I'm saying? It's lit out here, you know what I'm saying? You see the pasture, you see the trees, it's not even pasture, you know what I'm saying? You see that over there? That's crazy, bro. You got little trucks over there, it's crazy, bro. Life is crazy.
This is pizza. Look at this guy. This guy, tickle. Oh shit.
Lunchtime yet, you little shit.
Out here, it's approximately 11:22. We've been on the bus for 4 hours. What are we thinking?
What up, son? You know what I'm saying? Commentary, you know what I'm saying? Yo, look at that. You know what I'm saying? What's your tennis and stuff?
Oh, it's Pinsky. Okay. There's Bobby's. Very good. Oh, what the heck?
And then the Axeman just jumped through the window.
Handle your biz and get that money. Your money. You can take off your clothes long as you coming home. You're allowed to.
We out here in Dallas, but a new big performance goal. Let's peep this out. We're in the big land. That's a big city. Let's go. I got my tie on.
Really?
Spiffy.
I thought you were.
Let's go. We in the basement right now. Look at that.
There's no basement in that.
I'm so hyped, bro. I'm moving to Dallas,
This guy?
bro. I'm going to college in Dallas.
We're about to do the performance of a lifetime. We're about to do it right
It's
now.
lit.
It's beautiful.
It's beautiful. Pasta Marioni. Okay, let's go.
I don't get it.
Oh,
Stadium.
what's up?
You already know.
Yeah.
Hold on, wait.
boys, this is my crib. You know what I'm saying? Back, you know what I'm saying? This is backstage, you know what I'm saying? In the Myers Center, you know what I'm saying? First time here, you know what I'm saying?
Miss
It
you,
ain't
Max.
nothing. It ain't nothing, you know what I'm saying? Okay, now you guys see that? See that? Okay, look. I'm gonna tell y'all a story. Back when I was in New Mexico, I ordered this from a Wichita lady. She gave it to me for free because I'm sexy.
Maybe streaming Nickelodeon.
Look at this one right here. I don't have no story behind this. It's just there.
Always imagine. You don't really buy a Snickers bar right now?
Nah, I just gotta use this lane.
You did it. So you know what I'm saying? What we got right here is Picasso's second cousin's grandma. Get the fuck out of here.
Oh, it's Picasso's son.
All right, guys, we're gonna win first place with Tom's on thingy. Yeah, Tom's on chairs. It was a nice little drum slip right here. I got you.
Yo, don't freak out.
Okay, we made it.
Guys, don't freak out.
We
Don't
made
freak
it.
out.
Look
I
at
just
this.
saw Post Malone.
Where's Post
You
Malone?
missed it. God, dude.
We made it. It is approximately. Oh, the light would go out right now. It's 2:43. I'm here. We're all changed.
What up, son?
Where are my shorts?
After our stellar performance, we're gonna go get some of the grub at the Dave and Buster's. What's your opinion?
Pretty good.
Let's peep this out. We really made it, guys.
This was the point of our whole journey.
That's what I'm saying, bro. Finna get these games in, you know what I'm saying?
About to get some chicken tenders. About to play some Mario. Look at this guy. Okay. It's LeBron James. Logan, how you feeling right now?
This is wild, bro.
We've never been at such a place, man. This is where Marcus is.
I hate Dave and Buster's.
Air Max, bro.
We're gonna add 4 players?
We're about to play the Rose game at the mall.
Okay, which one do I want?
We got these little chicks. So let's see what he gets. And the basketball one.
I do not.
Finally done with our adventure out here. We're in Dallas land.
Look. We got ducks.
Finn,